In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of viral AI videos. So first of all, we need to go to NOVOADS.AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here, and here we need to click where it says image. Now we're going to paste the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now you have to click in settings. Now we have to change the model to GPT Image 2, and the quality, we are going to choose the medium quality. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality and is almost the same. Now we are going to click this button, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Now that we have the images, we have to choose one of these ones. Personally, I liked this one, so let's choose it. So now we have to click here where it says use as a start frame. And now we are going to paste this prompt. This prompt, as the other prompt, is going to be in the comment section. Now we have to click in settings, and we are going to change the model to Clink 3. This because it's cheaper. So now the duration for this video in 6 seconds is okay. And the aspect ratio, as we want a vertical video, is okay too. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 3 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video, so let's see it. Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot. It looks really realistic and is very similar to those type of videos that are becoming very viral these days. So if you want to do a video like this one or like the others that I have in my YouTube channel, you can try today NOVOADS for just $1, and then if you don't like it, you can cancel anytime when you want. So if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.